Hey guys, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to customize Discord with Vencord. Using this method, you'll be able to theme Discord past what Nitro allows you to theme already. Also, you'll be able to get all of the themes that Nitro has for free. Now I should mention that this is against Discord terms of service because we are modding their client. However, there have been no cases of anybody actually getting banned, so you can follow this. Just know I don't take any responsibility if you get banned. Again, there has been no cases, but who knows. And with that out of the way, let's get straight into the video. Alright, so here I am on my Windows 11 desktop, and this will also apply to Windows 10, and later in this video I will be showing how to install Vencord onto a web browser, and that will allow you to use it on other operating systems such as Chrome OS, for example. And so the first thing you're going to want to do is to close out of the Discord app. And then you're also going to want to close out from the bottom right. You can just right click and close Discord. Now you're going to want to head to the first link in the description, and that will take you to the Vencord website, vencord.dev. And when you're here, click download Vencord, and then you're just going to want to click the download Vencord installer.exe. And then open that once that's done downloading. And then that should open up the Vencord installer. Alright, so once we're here, it should automatically find the Discord installation and it should select it. And then you're going to want to just click install. And then it should say successfully patched. Just click OK. And then we're going to install OpenASR. And what OpenASR is it's a rewrite to part of Discord's desktop code. And what that does is it speeds up Discord by around 2 to 4% at startup. So I think it's a pretty worthwhile thing to install. So we're just going to click accept and then click install OpenASR one more time. And then we're done, and you can close the Vencord installer. Alright, now we can go ahead and open Discord. And as you can see, that was pretty fast, at least compared to the default speed. And if we go ahead to the user settings, we can scroll down here and find the Vencord settings. These will be new settings that weren't here before. So this is just generic Vencord settings. You can just leave these all at default. And you can change some of the notification styles if you want. And then coming down to the plugins tab, this is where you'll find all of Vencord's built-in plugins. There's over 100 of them. And some that I like is the Spotify controls right here, and that'll add a bit of controls for Spotify. You can change the song, pause the music, stuff like that. Another one that I like is Fake Nitro, and now this one is actually pretty cool. So it gives you features that come with Nitro, such as screen sharing at 1080p 60 fps or 1440p at 60 fps. It also gives you emojis from other servers that you can use all over Discord, as well as it gives you a bunch of themes that come with Discord Nitro, which we're not going to be using because we can find much better themes. But once you go ahead and find some of the plugins that you like, you can always just enable them or disable them. It makes it pretty easy to switch out plugins and find the ones that work well for you. Only thing is, you need to restart. But because of OpenASR, that doesn't take too long. As you can see, we're already done. And with the Nitro, if I join a call here for Fake Nitro, if I share my screen, I can select the screen here, and as you can see, I can share at 1440p at 60 fps without having Nitro. There we go. So that's not bad. Now it won't show that you have Nitro because, of course, we don't actually have Nitro. But it does also show up for other users as being 1440p 60 fps or whatever you select. So that's pretty cool. And now let's get into theming. Alright, so if you come to the second link in the description, this will take you to a Discord topic for Vencord themes. And here there's over 60 public repositories for themes for Vencord. Now Vencord also accepts better Discord themes, and I'll show you how to install those later after I show these ones. So you can scroll through and select any theme that you like here. This one looks pretty cool, so I'll click on it and then scroll down. You can see more pictures here. Most repositories have more pictures, obviously. But we can scroll down till we see Vencord, and then most of them have an online. Some of them will call it method 2 or something like that. We're just going to want to copy the .css link to the theme. And then we can open up Discord, click settings, scroll down to Vencord themes, click online, and then just paste that link right here. Just give it a few seconds, and that's it. We've themed Discord. Honestly, I'm not actually a big fan of this one. Now, another great website for finding themes is the Better Discord official website. They host a lot of themes for their client, and now these will also work on Vencord. So we can scroll through, there's a lot of them here. So if you find one that you like, you can just click the source code button, and then just click on the CSS for the theme in the code tab of GitHub, and then just click the raw button up here. Then we can just copy this link right up here, and we can just paste that right here. And there we go. Alright, now if you want to install Vencord to a web browser for Discord's web browser feature, just click the first link in the description to get here, click download Vencord, go over to the browser tab, and I will be installing to Chrome for this tutorial, so I'm just going to click on that and then add to Chrome. And then there we go. And now I will just open up the Discord web client. Alright, so here I am on the web client. And then if I go to user settings and scroll down, there we go, Vencord. And you can enable all the same plugins as the desktop feature, as well as all the same themes. So I will just use the same one that I had before. And there we go, the same theme on the web client. Now if for any reason you want to uninstall Vencord, what you're going to want to do is close Discord. So we can just quit Discord, make sure it's closed. Then open up the Vencord installer. And then just click the uninstall OpenASR, click OK. Then click uninstall, click OK. And as you can see, Discord is not patched. And then we can close that, and we can delete the Vencord installer, and we could wait for Discord. And there we go, back to complete stock. And that's all I have for you guys today. If you found this video helpful, a like would be appreciated, so would a subscribe if you wouldn't mind. But yeah, don't forget to like and comment if you have any questions about Vencord. I will try and help you as best as I can. And yeah, I'll see you next time.